Today we will do question number 1 from exercise 5.1 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. See question: in which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So see question number 1. The taxi fares after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for each additional kilometer. So for first kilometer, fare will be 15. Then if he travels 2 kilometers, then it will be 15 plus 8 means 23. For third kilometer, it will be 23 and 131. For fourth kilometer, he will travel 39. So in this way, this is coming series, and we will see this is making AP or not. So for this, 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. 31 minus 23 is equal to 8. 39 minus 31 is equal to 8. So this is coming same. So this is common difference. So it is making yes. This is this is in AP. This is in AP. Yes, and AP. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is the amount of air present in cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So the amount of air present, let the amount of air present be V, volume V. So the amount of the air present in cylinder when vacuum pump removes. So when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. So air removed first. Is equal to V by 4. V by 4. 1/4 of the remaining air will be V minus V by 4 equal to 3 V by 4. So first it was V and then it is 3 by V by 4. Next time when air removed, equal to remaining air is this. So 1/4 of this will be removed, means 1/4 of 3V by 4. So this will be 3V by 16. So remaining air then. Air will be 3v 3v by 4 minus 3v by 16 is equal to 16 12v 3v is equal to 9v by 16. This is remaining. So this is we are getting. We will check this is in series or not. So first 3v e minus 3v by 4 is equal to then 4v and 3v. E by 4 is coming. And next, if you will subtract this from this, so 3v by 4 minus 9v by 16. 16 4 4 12v minus 9v equal to 3v by 16. So this is not coming same, and this is v by 4 and this is 3v by 16. So this will not make not in AP. Third C. Third, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meter. So it will make series like this. For first meter, this is 150. For second meter, it will be 200, then 200. 200, then 250, then 300. In this way, this is coming. So here we will see common differences here, 50. So it is making yes in AP. This will be in AP. Now see question number 4. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. So for first year, after first year, this will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into, this will be for after first year, then it will be 10,000 divided by 1 plus 8 by using compound interest formula. After 2 years, this will be amount. After third year, this will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into 3 years. So clearly this is not in AP. So this will be, because it will subtract, it is not, common difference will not come same. So no, not in AP. This will be not in AP. I hope you must have understood this solution. today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.